Hello, everyone. My name is Edijs. I'm part of the developer team at eazyBI. And yes, I want to talk to you about spring cleaning. I will have two hats. Now I have my hat. This is me in my Jira Cloud instance. And let's say I want to do some spring cleaning, finally. The users are up to no good, and I want to clean up after them, or at least I feel like I have to. Okay, so let's say I go into some account. I don't really recognize what is this? What is this? We don't need this. We don't need this. Something weird. Okay, do we have dashboards? These don't work. We don't need them. Let's throw them out. Spring cleaning. If you do something, you do it right. Right? Okay, let's go back. Okay, that one is done, but this one, I don't even recognize this account. What is this? Okay, I don't ask anybody. I just look at all accounts and say that I don't need this, so it must go. Okay, now I feel good. Job is done. I can go home, right? Now, my very good colleague, John, comes in the morning, logs into the same Jira Cloud instance, and he goes to start his day, build some reports maybe, and something is weird. Okay, he will. Something is missing, like everything is missing. Okay, so he calls Edijs and asks me, gives me a tough question. What's happening? Why don't I see anything? Is it a permissions problem? Okay, let me see. Let me take a look. So I go to the audit log and start to investigate data archaeology. But I don't have to dig deep because it turns out somebody deleted everything. Who was this guy? Oh, it was me. Okay, so then I need to go about and start to restore things. I am still on the phone with John. I'm keeping him busy with talking. And in the meantime, I quickly go and, I restored the account. Now I need to restore the cube that I deleted. What else did we delete? We deleted the dashboards. Okay, let's restore those two. This one I think I didn't restore. Let's do that. Yep. And now I tell John, listen, maybe you just, reload the page and... Is everything okay? Oh, yes, it appeared. Good. But actually, there's one small thing that I neglected to do, which is while he is happy about this and is making his coffee, I quickly go and start to import data, because by deleting everything, I also deleted, of course, the imported data. So I just rerun the imports. Of course, in our small organization with 2 accounts, it will be quite swift. Let's run it. And while that is happening, my dear friend, John, is sitting with his coffee and he got everything back. He doesn't know that it was lost. He was thinking it might have been just a permissions issue. So yeah, that's it. That's it.
Lovely. Thank you very much, Edijs. Oh, we do have a question. Okay, we can take one.
Quick question.
Yes.
What's the order of events there? Sorry, what? The order of restoring things.
Yes, no, not really. I just that was something that was logical for me myself. But you can restore everything in any order. Like Raymond said, IDs are maintained, so the linkages will be there. doesn't matter. Yeah.